What does calling fit multiple times on the same model do? After I instantiate a scikit model, e.g. linear regression, if I call its fit method multiple times, with different x and y data, what happens? Does it fit the model on the data like if I just reinstantiated the model, i.e. from scratch, or does it keep into account data already fitted from the previous call to fit? Trying with linear regression, also looking at its source code, it seems to me that every time I call fit, it fits from scratch, ignoring the result of any previous call to the same method. I wonder if this is true in general, and I can rely on this behavior for all models pipelines of scikit-learn.
If you will execute model.fit x_train, y_train, for a second time, it'll overwrite all previously fitted coefficients, weights, intercept, bias, etc. If you want to fit just a portion of your dataset and then to improve your model by fitting a new data, then you can use estimators, supporting incremental learning, those that implement partial_fit method.
You can use term fit and train word interchangeably in machine learning. Based on classification model you have instantiated, maybe a CLF equals BNAVE or CLF equals SVC, your model uses specified machine learning technique. And as soon as you call CLF.fit, features_train, label_train, your model starts training using the features and labels that you have passed. You can use CLF.predict, features_test to predict. If you will again call CLF.fit, features_train2, label_train2, it will start training again using past data and will remove the previous results. Your model will reset the following inside model: weights, fitted coefficients, bias, and other training related stuff. You can use partial_fit method as well if you want your previous calculated stuff to stay and additionally train using next data.
Beware that the model is passed kind of by reference. Here, model 1 will be overwritten. Returns. To avoid this use,